In the Documents section, you can attach any documents you may want to attach against this visit. This can be a scanned copy of some past report or any other document of your choice. The References section allows you to capture referrals. If you want to refer this patient to a fellow doctor, you can enter the doctor's name and refer to. If you want to write a message to the consultant you are referring, you can make use of Referral Message section. You can also capture who has referred this patient to you using the Referred By entry. The Follow-Up section allows you to capture follow-up messages and dates for each individual patient. You can have something like, "Come back with reports in 6 months." Then select the date for patient's reference.